Me. What am I doing
You
to
haven't seen harassment yet.
Well, apparently this is harassment if you're standing in front of my face like that. That's some real harassment right there, bro. Record this, bro.
Go ahead.
Why are you harassing me? What am I doing to you? Because I looked your direction?
Sit there.
Because I looked your
Stop
direction.
mad dogging.
No one's moving. No
Stop
one's moving.
mad
I
dogging.
never moved any
Stop
direction.
mad dogging.
Well, then stop. What are you coming at me for? I looked that
Touch me
direction.
again. Touch
Who's
me
touching
again.
you? Who's touching you? You're in front of me. You're in my personal space. What do you mean?
You have personal
touching?
space.
Yes, I do. It's my constitutional right to have my own personal space. What do you mean I have no personal space?
Keep mad dogging me.
No one's mad dogging you. They're looking your direction.
Keep
If
mad
you know what
dogging
that is, then you need to fucking go black classes, retard.
Excuse me?
You heard me.
Turn around.
For what?
Turn around.
For
He's
what?
getting arrested for.
Turn around.
What am I getting arrested
Turn
for?
around.
What am I getting arrested for?
I'm asking you
Let
one
him
more
know.
time.
What am I getting arrested for?
Turn around.
What am I getting arrested for?
Turn around.
What am I getting arrested for? No one's look. Hey, what am I doing?
So you say he's being detained, right? What's he being detained for, officer?
I said he's being held in handcuffs until we figure
Oh,
out
well,
the
there needs to be a reason to be detained.
I'm telling you.
All right, yeah.
Crime
record
has
this.
happened. Okay? He's been detained for a crime. A crime just occurred. Okay? Obviously, some
A crime against me just
You're
occurred.
being
Yes.
detained right now
Okay.
because I'm conducting an investigation
Okay.
because you did battery on another individual.
I did battery?
Yep, you did battery.
Okay.
I have independent witnesses
Okay.
saying you assaulted the individual, you
Okay.
and your brother.
Okay.
Assaulted him multiple times while he
Okay.
was on the ground.
Okay.
Good to go?
Okay.
You understand now?
Yeah.
Okay, turn around, sit back on the hood.
Is your guys' car?
Yes, Michael.
That's harassment.
Yeah, bro. Just
And I'm gonna use that in court.
leave it at that. For what?
What did I do?
It's not you guys.
Apparently, he saw something, okay?
Well, I looked at him. I looked at that direction.
talking to him.
Yeah,
No, yeah, I understand.
Don't worry about it, bro.
You know?
Okay.
Like, we can't do anything about it either. You know, he's your
You
guy.
know what?
He's
Hey,
your
buddy.
guy's boss.
You have the surveillance, right?
Yes, we do.
If you want to have the video.
Yeah, we'd love to have the video.
Do you have it? Do you have it?
Can I help you guys? Why are you guys in our property? No, why are you guys in our property?
Hi.
Can I help you? A restraining order? He doesn't live here. So I don't know what you guys are doing inside our property.
You gotta relax. You gonna run over my partner or what?
Are you gonna use force? Because you guys are entering, you guys broke into the premises.
Use your phone while driving? Can we give you a ticket for that?
I'm asking you guys to leave. Valentino is not here. What's your badge number? What's your badge number? What is your badge number? Because I'm sick and tired of people always coming over here. Don't get near me.
Regarding your kids.
Don't get near me.
Ma'am, we're trying to look.
I said don't get near me. I'm taking it as a threat. Don't get near me.
Ma'am, we're looking for Valentino. What's his name? Gonzalez?
Valentino is not here, but what is the purpose of you guys entering the premises when nobody is home? It does not give you the right to open and break in because I had that closed when I took off to go buy food. Doesn't matter. You don't go in there. UPS does not open the gate and then leave shit in there. That does not happen. I want you guys to call your watch commander now. No. Do not get near me. I said do not get near me. Everything gets recorded onto my
Okay, we're gonna
video.
cite you.
Don't touch me
We're gonna-
with that.
Relax.
Don't touch me.
Relax. Relax.
Don't touch me.
Relax.
See, but that's what I'm saying. They didn't identify themselves. They didn't tell me anything.
So, I mean, the uniform's not enough? Sheriff?
Anybody can dress in between a sheriff's
So, you
costume.
don't even know I'm a sheriff. I'm a
No, I don't.
sergeant. Oh, so then this is useless. I mean, is there anything
No,
I
it's
could
not
do to help
useless.
out?
Are you over here trying to deny me the right to have them their
No,
names
no,
and
but
everything?
If you don't believe anything that I'm saying, that's what I'm saying. Do you?
That's
believe
why
that
I'm asking you for the names.
But that's what I'm telling you. Do you know that I'm a sergeant with the LA County Sheriff?
No, they just said that they're your
No,
supervisor.
Me.
I don't know that.
You still don't know that.
No,
So I'm a total stranger. These are not.
I don't know that until I verify it with them.